Hello, welcome to today's lesson on geometric construction. Turbo Girl, can you name the following figures?
I know. Figure A is a parallelogram, Figure B is a rhombus, Figure C is a rectangle, and Figure D is a square.
Good. Let us recap on the properties of these quadrilaterals. A parallelogram has two pairs of parallel lines. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal. A rhombus has two pairs of parallel lines. Opposite angles are equal. All sides are equal. A rectangle has two pairs of parallel lines. All angles are right angles. Opposite sides are equal. A square has two pairs of parallel lines. All angles are right angles. All sides are equal. In this lesson, I am going to teach you how to construct quadrilaterals using your ruler, protractor, and set squares.
But I'm not good at drawing.
Don't worry. The following steps will help you to draw quadrilaterals. Step 1. Read the question and make a sketch of the figure. Step 2. Use a ruler to draw the given side of the figure. Step 3. Use a protractor to measure and draw the given angle of the figure. Step 4. Use a ruler to join the points to complete the figure. Before you start to construct the figures, let us learn how to construct a set of perpendicular lines and a pair of parallel lines. This is how you construct a set of perpendicular lines. Look at the line AB. To draw a line perpendicular to AB, first place the set square on line AB. Next, place a ruler vertically at point A so that it touches the set square. Draw a line perpendicular to AB. This line is perpendicular to AB.
Okay, so how do I draw a pair of parallel lines?
Look at this line PQ. To draw another line parallel to PQ, first place the set square on line PQ. Next, place a ruler vertically at point P so that it touches the set square. Slide the set square up and draw a line parallel to PQ. This line is parallel to PQ. Are you ready to learn how to construct quadrilaterals?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, let's begin by drawing a square A, B, C, D with the sketch provided. You know that the square has four equal sides. Therefore, AB is equals to BC is equals to AD is equals to DC is equals to 4 centimeters. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Draw AB, which is equals to 4 centimeters using a ruler. Step 2. At point A, draw line perpendicular to AB using a ruler and a set square. Step 3. Measure the line you have drawn. Mark point D on the line such that AD is equals to 4 centimeters. Step 4. At point B, draw a line perpendicular to BA using a ruler and set square. Step 5. Measure and mark point C on the line such that BC is equals to 4 centimeters. Step 6. Join DC.
What about a rectangle?
Take a look at this sketch provided. The opposite sides of rectangle PQRS are equal. As such, PQ is equals to SR is equals to 4 centimeters. PS is equals to QR is equals to 3 centimeters. The steps are pretty similar to that of drawing a square. Step 1. Draw PQ equals to 4 centimeters using a ruler. Step 2. At point P, draw a line perpendicular to PQ using a ruler and set square. Step 3. Measure and mark point S on the line drawn such that SP is equals to 3 centimeters. Step 4. At point Q, draw a line perpendicular to PQ using a ruler and a set square. Step 5. Measure and mark point R on the line drawn such that QR is equals to 3 centimeters. Step 6. Join SR. Let us move on to drawing a parallelogram. Draw a parallelogram WXYZ with the sketch provided. As you know, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. As such, WX is equals to ZY is equals to 4 centimeters. WZ is equals to XY is equals to 3 centimeters. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Draw WX is equals to 4 centimeters with a ruler. Step 2. Place the protractor at point W and mark off 60 degrees. Join the mark to point W. Step 3. Measure and mark point Z on the line drawn such that WZ is equals to 3 centimeters. Step 4. Draw a line through X parallel to WZ using a ruler and set square. Step 5. Measure and mark point Y on the line drawn such that XY is equals to 3 centimeters. Step 6. Join ZY.
So, drawing a rhombus is similar to drawing a parallelogram?
Let's look at this question to find out. Draw a rhombus MNOP with the sketch provided. All sides of a rhombus are equal and opposite sides are parallel. As such, MN is equals to NO is equals to MP is equals to PO, which is equals to 4 centimeters. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Draw MN is equals to 4 centimeters with a ruler. Step 2. Place the protractor at point M and mark off 40 degrees. Join the mark to point M. Step 3. Measure and mark point P on the line drawn such that MP is equals to 4 centimeters. Step 4. Draw a line through point N parallel to MP using a ruler and set square. Step 5. Measure and mark point O on the line drawn such that NO is equals to 4 centimeters. Step 6. Join PO.
It is not difficult to construct quadrilaterals as long as I follow the given sketch and measurements.
I'm sure by now you will find that drawing these quadrilaterals is easy if you have the sketches as guides. Turbo Girl, can you draw the quadrilaterals without the sketch provided?
I can try.
Okay. Draw a parallelogram ABCD with AB equals to 6 centimeters, BC is equals to 4 centimeters, and angle ABC is equals to 60 degrees.
Now that there is no sketch provided, I have to make a sketch of the figure. I will follow the steps that teacher has taught me. I know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. As such, AB equals to DC, which is equals to 6 centimeters. BC equals to AD, which is equals to 4 centimeters. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Draw AB equals to 6 centimeters with a ruler. Step 2. Place the protractor at point B and mark off 60 degrees as shown. Join the mark to point B to form a line. Step 3. Measure and mark point C on the line such that CB equals 4 centimeters. Step 4. Draw a line through A parallel to BC using a ruler and a set square. Step 5. Measure and mark point D on the line such that DA equals to 4 centimeters. Step 6. Join DC.
Well done, Turbo Girl. Turbo Girl, what have you learned today?
I have learned how to construct quadrilaterals using the following steps. Step 1. Read the question and make a sketch of the figure. Step 2. Use a ruler to draw the given side of the figure. Step 3. Use a protractor to measure and draw the given angle of the figure. Step 4. Use a ruler to join the points to complete the figure.
Well done, Turbo Girl. See you at the next lesson.